a nice road.
The road is nice, but the road is in our garden.
Sorry?
The road is in our garden.
I'm on your property now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The road ends here anyway, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll turn back.
Yeah.
Okay. It's the river is low this year.
Yeah, very low. We had not much rain.
Yeah. Last year it was much higher.
Where are you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
Holland.
Okay.
I got a Portuguese wife,
Okay, cool.
so we're here on vacation.
Last year in May was almost full. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Hopefully next winter more rain.
Yeah, let's hope so.
If we have 2 years like this, we are fine. The well is almost empty and
Yeah. How much is left? Do you know that?
yeah, enough. Right here, 90 meters.
How much?
90 meters
90 meters left.
left.
Oh.
Yeah, we did a calculation, and because of the shape, it's like this. Yeah. So 90 meters, but that means this is
Yeah.
30 meters, so it's
In the bottom it's left.
empty.
Yeah. Okay. You live nice here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not yet a house, but soon, hopefully.
Good. I turn around.
Alright. If you want to go to the lake, if you go up to the main road,
Yeah.
so you turn left 2 hours. But if you go straight down there, you can have access to the river.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Alright.